Hey guys, well done for achieving a big milestone. Now, here's a quick tip about the upcoming projects and lessons. Now, you might look ahead and you might see, ooh, what's going on? There's no step-by-step guidance, there's no solution code. What's happening here? Now, what I want you to be able to do after you complete this course is to have achieved all of the skills that you need to be able to get a job as a Python developer. And one of the most important things you need to be able to demonstrate is that you can write your own code. Not code from a tutorial, not code that I've guided you through, but code that you actually thought about, that you wrote. So we're going to help you to build your portfolio in the upcoming section. I've created some project ideas that are usually quite good when it comes to interviews, and your job is to use everything that you've learned, plus research, plus Googling, plus reviewing some lessons to create those projects and write entirely your code. But what this means is that you can copyright your code, you can build it out into a real business, you can put it into your portfolio or put it onto GitHub and demonstrate at your next interview that you can create your own projects without the help of somebody else. So I've taught courses on web development, on iOS development, and I've often seen students come to job interviews with a project that I'm like, oh, I think I know that I wrote the code for that. Or, you see online where people have the same project over and over again with exactly the same code. This is what you're going to avoid by going that extra step. Now, I'm not saying it's easy. It's going to be really hard, but this is how you learn and this is how you progress as a developer. In this course, I want it to be a safe space for you. I want it to be a place where you can play, you can explore, you can fail without any repercussions, because we're all here to support you on your journey. So don't worry if you can't do something. Don't worry if you get it wrong. Don't worry if it doesn't look great. Just share your code and we'll give you feedback, and we're going to get you to that place where you want to be. But you have to be willing to try as well. So I hope you're going to succeed in the coming lessons, and I definitely hope you're going to give it a go, because it is so important for your development. So here's good luck to you, and remember, as always, I believe in you.